love to be on film.
Come here. Come here. You gonna come? Come here. Uh-oh, Dane's getting in here. Dane, take your territory. Come here. We're thinking about it very seriously. Is the blanket in your way? Is that the problem? Huh? You're looking at it like it's an obstacle. So Dane's going to get it out of your way. Like he's being such a nice brother. Hey, Devin. Devin. Hey, come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. You're going to slide if you do it with your hands on the blanket. Like whatever, it's a soft place to drool. Hey, Debbie. Come here, monster. You're going to try it now. You're going to go for the stool instead? What is it? Huh? What is it? Are you gonna come visit me? Come here. Come here. Hey. Bum, 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 bum.
Good job.
Bum, bum, bum.
You did it.
You need to come here.
Is it
No. Is that true?
is it time for the bottle?
Come here. Come here. No? You gonna dance?